I'm going to introduce you to Todd from Team Vintage.
Fire up, Team Vintage.
Alright, so I don't know if you can hear me, but we are now looking in the direction of the stadium, which is where the race starts. You may or may not be able to see the scoreboards. And then over here, I don't know if you can see how blue and nasty is, but there's a storm coming in from Lansing, and that's bad. So once again, Todd and Angela are not going to be able to run tonight. So pray for good weather, and we'll